safe transit reasons, all the STIHL tillers are shipped with no fluids in them, so no oil in the gearbox, engine or air filter, and they come with these tags on all the fillers to warn you that you need to do fluids before you run the machine up. When it comes to doing the oils on this machine, it pays to do the gearbox first because it's on its side, so you're going to have to more conveniently tip it over. And so obviously you don't really want the oil in the motor and air filter first, so yeah, do the gearbox first and then do the motor fluids. For the gearbox, it uses 1.25 litres of oil of the 10W30. For the engine oil, you can use the 10W30 or the SAE30. We can see there in the motor owner's manual, and you'll need 600 mils of oil. So of course we're recommending the STIHL. So place the full 600 mils in here. There is a dipstick for checking level. There is also in the air filter a yellow tag because we have to put some oil for the filter. You can take off the protective film to give you the nice shiny chrome, that washer, and the whole filter pod comes off, and you'll see where the oil goes. Obviously not down the center, but there's your oil bath to put some filter oil in there, and you'll be again just using the standard oils that you're using. So you can see there an oil level to fill to. It'll be just below that washer. You can also, if need be, take the foam filter out and just squeeze a light bit of oil into that. It doesn't have to be too excessive.